Hi guys, I just received my new selling fan coil unit from MB Tech. So basically, um, it's a high efficiency fan with a coil. It is a four-way direction, so it's basically sucks the air and push it out. There's a filter. It does heating and cooling depending on what you're feeding. If some people use it only for eating, some people only for cooling, some for boat application, some using for boilers. I use it for geothermal heat pumps. So I have my water-to-water geothermal heat pumps, and I'm feeding either hot water during the heating season or cold water during summer season. So it's pretty simple. It's easy to hook when you're selling. You can even put in your garage. It comes with a programmable thermostat with the connection box, and I have also my cables to make connection from the thermostat to the control box. And basically that's how it looks. It's a four-way direction selling fan coil, and that's what's going to look at the end. And beside that, it has a hair vent to drain your hair, and it has an integrate condensing pump, basically with condensate trap switch that trigger the pumps, and you can put flexible PVC up to 50 feet to get out or somewhere from the drain. And that's just a small connection. And basically when you need to connect that, well, there's line in neutral, 120 volts, high, medium, low speed for 3 capacity range. That unit is 24,000 BU, so well, let's see what is going to be when it's going to be installed.